Components placed in a tray are the safest and easiest way to handle components that are delicate. This method of loading and unloading is preferred by customers who have components that must not touch each other during loading or unloading. If components come in contact with one another in a gravity feed system, the rubbing could cause scratches and mar the surface finish, which is why many customers prefer tray loading and unloading. Depending upon the size of the component and the size of the tray, a number of components, say 100, can be loaded on the tray for almost 1 hour of unmanned operation. We call this a single tray system wherein the components are loaded and unloaded onto the same tray. The operator has to load the components on the tray from the front of the machine. Then while the robot is picking the components from this tray and placing it back on the same tray, he will go to the rear of the machine and load and machined components on the rear tray. When the front tray is full of machined components, the robot will start picking and placing components from and onto the rear tray. Hence the robot and the machine are never idle, thus ensuring maximum productivity. When there is a change in component type, the gripper pads can be changed and the tray can be changed too. The setup time for component change will be around 20 minutes. For more details, contact strategiautomation.com.